Good bloody morning. It's Thursday today and we're going to do our activities. We are in Isabella. And honestly, one of the coolest places we've stayed. We're in an eco lodge.
Wait, we haven't even tried them.
No. It's too dark when we arrived last night because we went and saw the volcano and everything, which was pretty cool. So I'll give you a tour. So this is the tent. My bed, Hannah's bed, all of our crap. You can stand up it. Here, stand up in it. Here's the door. And as we open up, we just need to make sure we sit all the way down. And then as we come out, we've got this beautiful area surrounded by palm trees. All of our tents are there. But it's bloody beautiful. Rate it. It's an eco lodge. And I'll show you later on. There's this eco shower that's like in the bushes. It's like a skull where the water comes down. And I showered there last night and there was heaps of spiders around me, but it was quick because everyone else was in the hot showers. But yeah, it's super cool. Okay, this is the breakfast area and the dinner area. There's a cute little bar in there and we're within a big old tree.
Alright, so we've got
through here there is a small tunnel into an inside area which I think is the kitchen. Good morning. Good morning. Then we have the toilets down that way. Oh Jesus, I'm going the wrong way. There's another eating area there. And then I'm really hoping it is bright enough for you to be able to see this, because the eco showers are just very cool, but I'm also sure there's going to be heaps of spiders there at this time of the morning, and I'm going to show you anyway because it's friggin' cool. I haven't even looked at myself so I could look like a friggin' state. I got a spot there for sure. More palm trees, beautiful. Oh, and here we go. So as we enter this area, make sure there's no fucking cobwebs. Straight up. You come round into this little pit. And here is your shower. This is the shower head. And Jesus. And then you just turn this on. And you got a little old eco shower. It's a bit bloody cool, I think. So I showered there last night and everyone else had hot showers. So who's the cool one now? We'll just turn that back off. We don't want to waste any water. But very cool. It comes through the eyes and the nose. Or maybe it's just a rock with holes in. But to me that looks like a skull. So let's get out of here. So yeah. We're in a very, very awesome campsite today. We're staying here tonight as well. Yeah, we are off to do our activities today. Hannah and Jack are going kayaking, so hopefully they'll be able to record themselves. Me, Jeremy, and a couple of other people are doing these tunnel things. So come along, join us. I'm just stopped at a bakery, and I've got pastry with sugar on. It's called one of these, and I got banana bread and orange cake. So I'm excited. I'm ready to go see some sharks. We just got our wetsuits, snorkels and masks. I'm excited. And there's a kitten here. Hi.
I gotta know about all this.
She's an Ollie fan. Hi. Let's go. We're off. To go and snorkel with some sharks and turtles and
Fishies,
and whales and everything.
dolphins,
Let's
sea
go.
lions. Marine iguanas. The expectations quite so high.
Even if it's rubbish, I'm still gonna go back and tell the rest of the group that it was the most amazing
Whale
thing.
sharks, hammerheads.
Yeah, I swam with an orca.
Manta ray.
Yes. This is definitely illegal. But we're doing it anyway.
Oh, there's one, a cool one over there. So close. Sorry. Go on, Ollie, do the Titanic. Yep. Woo! Jack! You're a fast car. Oh, we're about to get off, aren't we? That's sad. Lunch on the road. Cheers. Oh, you can really see them. So there's blue-footed boobies over there. Yeah, jeez.
He's got the bluest feet of them all. So here we have the blue-footed boobie. There's friggin' heaps of them around. They're so cool. They're everywhere. So these are the nests. We've just driven through here on the boat and we had lunch in the boat. The water is so clear, like you can literally see fish from up here. So nice. And there's crabs everywhere and cactuses. But yeah, look at these guys. They're crazy. This is honestly one of the coolest things ever.
Oh my god.
In your eyes pull me under, but I will wait for you. There's nothing left for me to do than run and act myself a fool. No point me up. Never thought that it could be this rough. No point in trusting anyone.
So we swam with the sea lion.
Totally, it was amazing! It was so good. And we saw seahorses, which was so cool. Yeah. Well, we are back. We went back to the place and showered because everyone felt horrendous. And we've treated ourselves to a strawberry daiquiri. I don't know whether you can see, but it's delicious. Looks good. And then we're going for some dinner.
That's a lot of pizza.
We've got food, sandwiches, burgers, pasta, lots of drinks. I got 2 gracias. I got 2 Sex on the Beaches and a giant endemic pizza. Oh, we're getting the bus back. That's us done for the day. We are off to bed. I will see you in the morning.